City of Dreams, a big adventure in New York. Hello, let's go on an exciting adventure in New York City. This story is all about Alex, who goes on a big adventure in a city where dreams come true. So, Alex arrives in New York, and right away, there are these gigantic buildings with lights all over them. It's like stepping into a city-sized playground, full of excitement. As Alex walks around, there are so many people and lots of sounds, cars honking, people talking, and even musicians playing music in the streets. It's like being part of a big, busy song. Alex explores famous places like Central Park and Times Square. Each part of the city feels like a different chapter in a story. Some places are artistic, and some are all about business. But, living in New York has some tricky parts. It can be a bit expensive, and everyone is always in a hurry. Even though it's tough sometimes, if you're brave, there are lots of chances to make your dreams come true. Alex takes on different jobs, shares small apartments with new friends, and becomes part of the city's fast rhythm. Along the way, Alex makes good friends, learns important things, and sees dreams starting to come true. As time goes by, Alex starts doing really well. From starting as an intern to becoming a business owner, the city becomes like a big canvas for Alex to paint a picture of winning against challenges. Imagine this: Alex stands on top of a really tall building, looking at the whole city. New York, with all its energy and dreams, changes Alex into someone strong and full of ideas. And that's the story of New York, a place where dreams really do come true, where challenges are faced, and anyone who tries can make it their home.